Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to visually compare sets of data, maybe for a project, work report, or just to satisfy your own curiosity, today's video is for you. We're diving into a really practical skill, how to use Google Sheets to make a bar graph comparison chart. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn your numbers into an easy-to-read bar graph that'll impress your classmates, colleagues, or even just yourself. Let's jump right in. Now, the first thing you'll want to check is that you already have your data organized in Google Sheets. This part is important because the way your data is laid out will directly affect how your final chart looks. Picture your data like the ingredients you're about to cook with. If they're not prepared and arranged, your meal, or in this case, your chart, won't turn out the way you want. For a bar graph, you usually want your categories, maybe months, products, or team names, listed in one column and the values you want to compare in the other columns. Take a moment to make sure everything's tidy and double-check for typos. A simple spelling mistake can end up as a confusing extra bar on your chart. Once your data's all set, move your eyes up to the very top of the screen and find the Insert menu. This menu is like your command center for adding anything new to your sheet, from images and drawings to, of course, charts. Go ahead and click Insert. Now, from the drop-down options, find and select Chart. This is where the magic starts to happen. It might take a second or two for the chart to pop up. Don't worry if it's not the exact chart you want right away. Sheets just makes a guess based on your data. Now for the most important part, customizing the type of chart. Over on the right side of your screen, you'll notice the Chart Editor panel has appeared. Sometimes folks miss this. If you accidentally close it, just click on your chart and then the three little vertical dots to get it back. In the Chart Editor, you'll see the default chart type, which is often a column chart. But since we want a bar graph, let's talk about the difference. A column chart has vertical bars and is great for showing changes over time, while a bar chart has horizontal bars and is perfect for comparing different categories side by side. So click on the drop-down under Chart Type. Scroll through the options and select bar chart if you want those horizontal bars, or stick with column chart for vertical ones. Choose whichever feels clearer for your data. Don't be afraid to experiment. You can always change the chart type later if you want to see which visualization tells your data's story best. As soon as you select your preferred chart, watch as your data transforms into something visual and, frankly, way more digestible. Now you've got a great basis for your chart, and from here you can fine-tune things like colors, labels, or even the legend to make it fit perfectly within a presentation or report. And just like that, you've turned a raw list of numbers into an eye-catching bar graph comparison chart. That's all there is to it. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like. And if you have any questions or want to see more tips on Google Sheets or data visualization, drop a comment below. I read every one. And be sure to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials that help you look like a spreadsheet superstar. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.